Welcome to the fourth part of this tutorial. In this part I will show how to use DISEMM and to calculate the single crystal elastic constants. After the first start, the window should look like this. In the upper right corner there are the diffraction elastic constants from part 3. At the beginning, the selected tensor model is set to the custom data, which may be used arbitrarily to store constants. But now let us switch to the Roy's tensor model, and for better display, switch from compliances to stiffnesses. Now, in order to perform the fit, first starting values need to be entered. In the case of the Roy's model, the only constraint is to give values which make sense from physics point of view. For the other models, I would recommend to use constants obtained through Roy's model because they offer pretty good starting point. Now, before we hit fit tensor, we could change the fitting mode away from classic, but we won't do so in this tutorial. For more information on this, please refer to the manual. After fitting the single crystal elastic constants, the calculated diffraction elastic constants are listed below here. It contains almost the same information as the experimental ones, but since they are calculated from the single crystal elastic constants, they don't contain any uncertainties. On the right, next to the list, we can compare the bulk parameters of the experiments in gray to the values obtained from the single crystal elastic constants in black. The last part of this window is all about anisotropy. DISEMM implements different functions to analyze the anisotropy. First, the checkbox fixes the anisotropy of the fit to the value given in the text box. Below we find different measures for the anisotropy as well. Be aware, these measures may require specific models in order to function properly, as I will show now by fitting the single crystal elastic constants with the Hill model. And now the last part below is for plotting purposes. ShowPlot opens the window, while Plot renders the selected properties along the selected directions. And now we have already arrived at the end of this tutorial, and I want to thank you all for watching.